Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to put music on your Instagram note. So if you want to add music or put music on your Instagram note, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Instagram. Once you will do it, here you will see update button. So simply you have to click on it to update your Instagram mobile application. After that, you have to go back and you have to tap a while on the Instagram app icon, and then you have to click on the info button. And once you will do it, here you will see storage and the cache. You have to clear cache from here. After that, you have to open your inbox, I mean messenger on the Instagram, and you will see notes option plus icon on the top. You have to click on that and you will get the music feature on the Instagram. So this is the way to put music on your Instagram notes. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.